Hello, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Sangrila with Ila Anant Acharya. This is a series based on the very famous prayer Ho'oponopono prayer, and as such I am calling it as a 3-day free workshop, but it is not a workshop. I'm not giving any questions, any activities or any submission, but you have to enjoy this series. You have to enjoy the episode. You have to just listen to these videos and you have to understand it, and if you have any doubt you have to ask the question, and then you have to start doing this Ho'oponopono prayer, Ho'oponopono tools, and then you have to share with me just the miraculous results which has changed your life for all good. So today is day 20, and today I'm going to share with you what is the fifth phrase of Ho'oponopono prayer. In the last video I have mentioned you that after writing this book, The Zero Limits, Dr. Joe Vitale has written the book At Zero, which is I'm considering as advanced Ho'oponopono prayer, where they have explained about the inner child healing and certain advanced Ho'oponopono tools. And then after that, one day Dr. Joe Vitale has written has come with an inspiration, and that was a phrase which is now considered as the fifth phrase of Ho'oponopono prayer, and based on that he has also written an entire book. I am not having any hard copy of that book, but I just have gone through few of the videos which were available on the YouTube channel, and from that I have learned most about the fifth phrase. So the fifth phrase, that is, first phrase is I think I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, that you consider as four main phrases. So after that I always repeat the fifth phrase after knowing it since last 2-3 years. It is I forgives myself. I forgives myself is considered as the fifth phrase of Ho'oponopono prayer, and grammatically it is not correct as been mentioned by Dr. Joe Vitale, but it has come as a inspiration to him, so that he is using it just like that only. So here I is considered as the divinity, that the divinity, the highest level, the non-physical entity, the infinite intelligence, and myself is considered as the small part, the subconscious mind, which is there inside us, which is having the data, the memory, the programming, and the small I as part of the infinite intelligence which is inside us. So that is myself. So it is said that I forgives myself. So the divinity is forgiving the data, the memory, whatever we have gone through, all this karmic connection, and it is forgiving us. So it makes the sense, because from the phrases when we say I am sorry, if you have gone through this book, you know that it is said that we make kind of a petition to divinity. We just make a kind of repentance to divinity by saying that I am sorry, please forgive me, whatever is there inside me which is causing this problem, which is causing this situation for me and around me. I'm really very sorry for that, please forgive me, and thank you, I love you. So that is what we are saying. Now it's time from the divinity to answer. So it is like I forgives myself. The divinity is forgiving us, and it is relieving us, it is giving us the inspiration, it is giving us the intuition, it is giving us the manifestations which we want. So that is how I conclude. That is, the four phrases are from our side. We are asking for the forgiveness, and the fifth phrase is like the forgiveness has been given. Okay, so that is what I consider in advanced Ho'oponopono system and advanced Ho'oponopono prayer. That is, I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I forgives myself. So here in the description box I will share with you the link which I have already shared on this channel also in detail about the fifth phrase, how it is, why it is, all that has been given. So I will share the link so you can go and watch there also. And on the Hindi channel it is available, Parivartan Angel Behavior. And thank you so much. These videos are now getting shorter, I know, because you must now been already knowing so much about Ho'oponopono prayer. You must be now enjoying these videos, and I just want to now give you all the information regarding the advanced Ho'oponopono tool. And these advanced Ho'oponopono tools, few I have already are there on my this channel, so I will try to give you in brief, and in description I will share the link also, where in detail I must have been shared with you about the advanced Ho'oponopono tools and all that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, for loving me, for sharing all among your friends and relatives, and liking it and making it a big success. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And if you still have any doubt, please do comment below. And if you really want anything to know more, I am a law of attraction coach also. I am a life coach. I do some meditation related to Silva methods, some meditation related to this Ho'oponopono prayers also, and I do listen to subliminals. I don't make any subliminals. I do believe in subliminals, and I do listen to subliminals to improve and to grow. And I try to learn each and every day. And once I am ready with all the knowledge, then I share in my videos whatever I know, whatever I have understand, whatever is in the easiest language possible, okay, and free. So thank you so much. Love you. Bye bye.